A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of Max, Class 6, Chapter number 11, 12 and 13. Question number 1 is given. Fill in the blank. The first one is given. A comparison by division is called as. Student, a comparison by division is called ratio. So your correct answer is ratio. Second one is given. When finding the ratio of two quantities of the same kind, the measure must be in the same units. What the answer will come? Same. Equivalent fractions are used to make the denominator dash. For the equivalent, the fraction are used to make the denominator 100. Fourth one is given. If the selling price is less than cost price, there is a dash. Student, when the selling price is less than cost price, then there is a loss. So, our answer is loss. Fifth one is given. If the selling price is more than the cost price, there is a dash. When the selling price is more than the cost price, then there is a profit. So, our answer is profit. Question number 2 is given. Solve the following. First one is given. Convert 50% into fraction. First of all, we will write the 50% in the fraction 50 upon 100. Then 0 cut, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So, we get the which fraction? 1 upon 2. The second one is given. Convert 6 upon 5 into percentage. To convert any fraction into percentage, we have to make the denominator 100. So, our fraction was 6 upon 5. Denominator was given 5. In the 5 table, 100 come how many time? 20 time. So, we will multiply 5 into 20. Same 20 we will multiply by 6 also. 6 into 20 will come how much? 120. 5 into 20 will come 100. It means we got the fraction 120 upon 100. The 100 means the number is in the percentage form. We can convert. So, write in the symbol 120%. The third one is given. What is 4% of 225? 4% means student 4 upon 100 into 225. So, 4 1 ja 4. 4 how many ja 100? 4 25 ja 100. So, here we get 1 upon 25 into 225. So, here 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 2 is given, 5 5 is 25. Again we can cut 5 1 is 5, then we 225. So, 5 9 is 45. So, we get the answer how much? 9. So, 4% of 225 is 9. Now, question number 4, find the ratio. The first one is given 60 paise and 2 rupees. To find the any ratio, we have to convert the number in the same unit. So, 2 rupees means 1 rupee student equal to 100 paise. So, 2 rupees equal to 2 into 100 how much student? 200 paise. So, we have to make the ratio of 60 paise to 200 paise. 60 upon 200. 1010 cut, 2 3 ja 6, 2 10 ja 20. So, what ratio you got? 3 is to 10. Same way, we will solve the second one. The second one is given 15 minutes and 1 hour. Children, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So, we have to find the ratio of 15 minutes to 60 minutes. We will write in the fraction 15 upon 60. 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60. So, what the fraction we get? 1 upon 4. Therefore, we have the answer 1 is to 4. Now, children, question number 3, solve the following. The first one is given. The weight of the larger jaggery is 1 kg. The smaller lump weight is 200 gram. Find the ratio of the weight of the lump of jaggery to that of the block. So here we have to compare 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Now both are in the same unit. We got ratio of 1000 gram of jaggery to 200 gram of jaggery. Now we will take in the ratio 1000 is to 200 equal to 1000 upon 200. 20 will cut from numerator and denominator. What is remain? 10 upon 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So what the answer we got? Ratio is 5 is to 1. Now children, second one is given. If a bunch of 10 flowers cost rupees 25, how much will a bunch 4 flower cost? We will find out the cost of 10 bunch of flower is rupees 25. First of all, we will find the cost of one bunch of flower. 25 divided by 10, we get how much? Rupees 2.5. Now we have to find the cost of 4 bunch, equal to 4 multiplied by 2.5. We will do the rough work. 2.5 multiplied by 4. What we get? Rupees 10. Therefore, cost of 4 bunch of flower is rupees 10. A third one. Hamid Bhai bought bananas worth rupees 2000 and sold them all for rupees 1890. Did he make a profit or a loss? How much was it? Selling price is given 2000. The cost price is given 1890. Here selling price is more than the cost price. So Hamid Bhai made a profit. We will put the formula for profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. SP means selling price, CP means cost price. We will substitute the value of SP 2000 and CP is 1890. By subtracting this, we get 110. Therefore, Hamid Bhai made profit of rupees 110. I hope you have understood this worksheet. Thank you for watching this video.